How do we know the particular formula to use to calculate this triangle? In my previous video, I made a teaching on how you will be able to derive the formula using the short trick. If you've not watched it, you can visit back on my channel to see the video. Coming to the first question, they said we should find the value of x. And how do we know the particular formula we will use to find the value of x? Using the SOHCAHTOA method. Okay, first of all, you need to master the sides. We have three sides, 1, 2, 3. Among these three sides, which side is the longest? Of course, this side is the longest. Therefore, the longest side is our hypotenuse. This is the short form of hypotenuse. Where is the angle? 40 degrees is the angle. Which side is facing the angle? Or which side is facing the angle, or which side is the angle facing? Take a look. The angle is facing this side. Therefore, here is our opposite. The remaining side is our adjacent. Okay. When you're done identifying the three sides, another thing you need to do is to write out your SOHCAHTOA. Write out your SOHCAHTOA. Share it into three places. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pick the first alphabet. The first alphabet here is S. S equal to, the second one is O, which is opposite. Opposite over. The next one is what? H, which is hypotenuse. The second one is C. Write it out. The next one is A. A stands for adjacent over. The next one is hypotenuse. The last one is T, followed by O, opposite, and A over adjacent. I have written the three formulas, 1, 2, 3. So among these three formulas, which one am I going to use to solve this? Another thing you need to do is to write out the values of this. To write out the values of this, we have the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 6. The opposite, nothing was given for the opposite, so you leave it open. The adjacent is x. And we have our theta. Our angle is what? 40 degrees. Alright, we have the hypotenuse, we have the opposite, we have the adjacent, we have the theta. We are going to discover which of the formula we will use to solve this question. Alright, on the first one, the angle is given, which is 40 degrees. Opposite, nothing was given for the opposite. No value, no alphabet, no number, it's just blank. Therefore, the opposite has disqualified this because no value was given at all for the opposite. So automatically it is disqualified. Coming to the second one, we have the cos theta, which is the angle 40 degrees. Adjacent is given. Adjacent is x. We don't know the value of x, but at least something was given in place of the value, which is x. Then the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 6. Therefore, this formula is qualified. Coming to the third one, we have the tan theta, which is 40 degrees. Tan theta is 40 degrees. Opposite, nothing was given at all for the opposite. Automatically, it has disqualified it. Therefore, this is the formula to use to solve this. Coming to the second question, which side is the longest side? Is it here, here, or here? Of course, here is the longest side. This is the longest side. Therefore, the longest side is our hypotenuse. Here is the angle. This is the angle. Which side is facing the angle? Or which side is the angle facing? The angle is facing this side. Therefore, here is our opposite. And the remaining side is the adjacent. Okay. Which formula are we going to use? Which of the formula are we going to use? Is it this one, or this one? Okay. We need to write out the values first so that it doesn't look confusing or scattered. We have the hypotenuse. Nothing was given for the hypotenuse. No value, nothing, no number, nothing. So you leave it empty. The next one is the adjacent. The adjacent is x. At least something was given for adjacent. Opposite. Opposite is 12 cm. And our angle, which is the theta, is given 29 degrees. So which of the formula are we going to use? We have the first one, opposite. Opposite is given. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not given. No hypotenuse. That means this one is also disqualified. The first one is also disqualified. Coming to the second one, hypotenuse is not given. Hypotenuse is not given. Adjacent is given, but the hypotenuse has disqualified it. That means this formula will not fit in to solve the number 2. Will not fit in to solve number 2. Okay, coming to this one, opposite. Opposite is given, 12 cm. Adjacent. Adjacent is given but unknown. At least a value was given. Then opposite, we don't have opposite. Therefore, this is the formula we will use to solve number 2 question. Use the same method. Tell me the formula we will use to solve number 3 and drop your answer in the comment section. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. Solve number 3, drop your answer in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.